Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another LeBron shoe. I know LeBron came out with a lot of dope shoes this year in 2018, man. Started with 2017, man, they had the LeBron 15s, which was fire. Got the LeBron 16s that just dropped. We did a video on that, man. I'm gonna put a card up above so you guys can check that out. But this time we back with the LeBron 3, Christ the King. I know a lot of people might not know what Christ the King is, but it's a high school in New York City that Nike brand used to sponsor back in the day. They may still sponsor them, I think they do. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And also, you guys can follow us on our social media accounts at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And be sure to check out our Instagram for that P4YT merch. As you can see, I got the shirt on right now, so check that out. We got a bunch of different colors. We got the hoodies coming soon. But enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys have it, the LeBron 3 Christ the King. These shoes never came out before. You guys have it, man. What you guys think, man? It's a fine shoe, in my opinion. Let's get into the shoe, though. Let's get into it. Put one down. Let's get into it, man. As you can see, it's leather here. Got the pan leather coming around the toe box. Got the Christ the King right here, the CTK right here. Got pan leather coming around the sole. Got burgundy leather here. Got the LeBron here. Got the OG logo, LeBron in gold right here. Gold here where you put the shoestrings through. On the shoestrings, the burgundy, they didn't come with another pair of laces, which I was shocked. I thought they would come with a gold pair of laces also, but they didn't. They only gave these burgundy ones. Has metal locks on it, which is dope. Got the Nike swoosh here, burgundy, gold. Got the white pan leather in the back, burgundy here also. On the bottom, you have gold. It says James on the other foot. It says LeBron. Burgundy here, gold swoosh. On the other side, you got the LBJ logo here. Got the Nike swoosh right here on the bottom of the toe box. Let me see if you guys can see that right there. If you guys can see that, if you can't, you know what I mean. Got the LeBron lion here on the front, on the tongue. Pan leather on top of that, man. Just overall, on the back panel here, it says 3. If you guys can see that, pan leather. Clean shoe, man. Definitely a clean shoe, man. LeBron, like I mentioned earlier, LeBron has been dominated Nike basketball all year long with the retro game, and they came out with the retro ones. They came out with the Zoom Soldiers, OG colorway, man. They brought these out, man. The Christ the King 3 LeBron, man. Fire, man. Definitely a dope shoe, man. Shout out to my man Carl for getting these for me, man. This is my pair out of my collection, but my man Carl looked out and got these for me, man. Shout out to him. I'm gonna put his information below so you guys can check out his Instagram page, man, and reach out to him if you guys want to get some of these fly kicks that I'll be featuring on this channel. But yeah, man, definitely a clean shoe. Let me know what you guys think, man. If you guys think that this shoe, you know, it's not, you know, not clean, it's a little too bulky or whatever. It may look bulky on camera, but on foot, it's very clean, man. If you guys want me to do an on-foot video of any shoe that you see on this channel, let me know and I'll be sure to get that shot for you guys, man. And I also want to thank you guys, man. This week has been incredible. We picked up a couple of subscribers, man. Thank you. A lot of views on our last video, man. We did a review on LeBron, what the 1 through 5. LeBron 16, man. We did a video on that, put that out, man. It's getting mad views, man. I appreciate you guys, a lot of subscribers and everything, man. I appreciate everything you guys have done for this channel. If it was a comment, thumbs up, anything, man, I appreciate it, man, because I work real hard on these videos, and I'm trying to get you guys 2 videos a week, man. I've just been working, trying to figure this whole YouTube thing out, man, and I think I'm getting the hang of it now, man. But if you guys like what we're doing on this channel, man, leave a comment below, man. Let us know, man. We appreciate all feedback, man. Just let us know. But let's get back to this shoe, man. I gotta rate this shoe now, man. it's just so clean, man. On foot, it's fire, man. On foot, it's very clean, man. But I'm definitely gonna have to give this shoe. I'm gonna give this shoe 4 out of 5 pennies, man. For the simple fact, this is a Christ the King exclusive, man. And the colorway, the white, burgundy, and gold colorway is too fire, man. So I'm feeling this shoe, man. Definitely feeling this, man. But let me know what you guys think, man. Leave it in the comments below. If you guys think this shoe isn't fresh, leave it in the comments below. If you do think this shoe is fresh, leave it in the comments below, man. Let us know. If you go through all our videos and check all the comments, man, I'll always respond to every comment, man. So we can go back and forth and talk about this shoe or anything else you see on this channel. But with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.